Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set your song as ringtone on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to set your any song as your own ringtones, let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to download any song, and once you have downloaded, you have to simply open up your Files app. In Files, you have to go for this browse option, and from here you have to select Downloads. Once you have selected, you will get all of your downloads and the downloaded songs here. You just have to select the song which you want to set as your own phone ringtone. For example, I'm going to select the first one. Just keep a long press on it and then tap on this here option. Then simply tap on this use as ringtone option. Or here you can see that this ringtone is under 30 seconds. So you must have to select any song under 30 seconds. And once you have selected, keep a long press on it. Then tap on share. Then tap on this use as ringtone option, and it will easily set it on your ringtone on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.